tonight, and we all hope that you had a great night. Kami rin po, we really enjoyed this night with you all. Gusto ko po pasalamatan yung mga sponsors na personal po na sumusuporta sa akin at tumulong po dito sa show na to. So una-una po, UK Derm, Xiaomi Products, thank you very much. Nail Talk, located at Gomez Street, corner Osmeña Street. Please visit their spa at Gomez Street, corner Osmeña Street for their services for express manicure, pedicure to relaxing foot spa at a very affordable price with well-trained manicurists and comfortable ambience. For inquiries, please contact 0922-946-9152. Also, Artista Salon, it is a salon with spa and other services located at 2nd floor, Granda Street, Barangay 5, near St. Ferdinand Cathedral. And gusto ko rin po pasalamatan ng Forge Carlos Superdog for this fabulous stage design, designed by Mr. Romel Cabangon, and Dr. Lourdes Motabali, Dr. Sasha Motabali, and Dr. Sasan Motabali. Yumi Nisei Products, KD Glutathione, SNL, and Ramidi. Personally po, I have tried their KD product, and in as fast as 2 weeks, kitang-kita po yung result. So, you better try it po. Ready siya sa Carlos Superdrug. So, KD Glutathione, thank you so much. And Chichi Marquez and family, thank you. And of course, to my PSI family. PSI family, thank you so much. You're one of a kind. So, I love you. Thank you for coming. Sa mga tito at tita ko po na nandito, na nanood sa aming show, maraming salamat. And of course, to my own family, mga tito ko, daddy, si mom, buong pamilya ko, mahal na mahal ko po kayo. Thank you so much for coming. At syempre po, sa mga hindi na, mamaya po si Tito Ferdy, masasalamatan din niya yung other sponsors dito sa event. At syempre po, thank you so much po sa inyong lahat. Nagpumunta dito, palakpakan po natin yung mga sarili natin. Thank you for spending your time and having fun with us tonight. So maraming salamat po. See you all in our next show. Thank you. So,